VPK Podshipnik presents the 6004-2Nse9C3 bearing from the Japanese corporation Nachi Fuji Kashin. By clicking on the link below the video, you can purchase this bearing or a similar one on our website. By calling the phone numbers listed below the video, you can speak to our sales managers, who will be happy to help you choose. VPK Podshipnik works only with genuine products. By subscribing to our channel, you will be kept up to date on new bearing products and their features. Technical bearing specifications. The 6004-2Nse9C3 bearing is manufactured with an internal clearance, sealed on both sides with rubber sealing rings, and filled with specialized grease for stable operation at elevated temperatures. This is a single-row, radial ball bearing. Bearing dimensions: inner diameter 20 mm, outer diameter 42 mm. Bearing height 12 mm. Learn more about this and other bearings on the company's website, VPK Bearing. To keep everything turning,